Okay, I switched pages, trying to keep the videos a little shorter. That way they load to YouTube easier. So this is actually the bottom of the same page of notes if you're looking in your toolkit. And this is talking about random samples. So it's kind of the same topic, it just follows along. And we were saying that a representative sample is the best way to sample a population that is trying to represent a smaller group that represents the bigger group. This is talking about random sampling, and that's just saying random sampling is the best way to get a representative population. So they're still talking about representative sampling, but now they're talking about doing that randomly. And random just means you don't pick on purpose, right? If you roll a die and a number comes up, that's random. If you pick up a die and set it down so the number one is showing, that's not random, you chose. So when we're doing a survey, you might say, oh, I'll ask all my friends. Well, that's not random because those are all people you know. So to randomize it means you don't particularly choose. You try and spread it around and pick people randomly, right? Intentionally sampling, it says that right here. Students is easy, but you might miss certain groups, right? So a random sample is the best representative of a whole population. And then you use random samples to make what we call inferences. That's just a prediction. Once we have our information, we look at it, then we can look at what this smaller group said and predict what the bigger group might think about that. Again, this is all just about data and making predictions about how people think or what they're going to pick, those kind of things. So an example of a random sample might be if you stood by the gate when people were coming into school and you asked your survey question to every 10th student, right? Well, that's random because people might come in friend groups, but if you stand there the whole time and ask every 10th person, you're going to get a lot of different kind of people. So randomizing it, right? So representative samples are the best, and randomizing inside your representative sample is the best way to pick or to get survey data. That is just asking people questions to find out information. That's kind of the whole topic that they wanted you to know about, and I don't really have any follow-up work to go with that, so it's just an explanation. That's it.